So to set this one up, you want to grab some type of step or a bumper plate, anything that you can put your front foot on. As far as the distance goes, you want to make sure that you're not so far forward that your pelvis is in front of the knee. So you want to try to line that up as well as you can. Then you're going to tuck your butt, turn your hips towards the front leg, so in this case the left leg. I'm going to use my arms to help to rotate the pelvis towards that front leg. And then from here we're just going to drop as straight up and down as possible. You may notice I'm not able to actually extend my knee all the way on the left. That's just as much range of motion as I have without coming out of it. So if I were to try to straighten out all the way, I'd have to kick my hips back. You'd see me start to move forward and back, which you're not exactly going for. It's more just a straight up and down plane. If you're doing this right, you're pushing through the arch of your foot, not falling onto the outside of the foot. You should feel a ton of inner thigh on that front leg. You should feel lots of glute, lots of quad, and just really trying to not allow the butt to untuck the whole way. And that's what makes this really difficult. From the front, when we do that hip shift, we should see that the nose, the belly button, the knee, and the arch of the foot are all in a pretty straight line. So just working to maintain that the entire way. Again, pushing through the arch of the foot, pushing through the heel of the foot, and just maintaining that straight up and down, making sure that we're not turning the hips out, and then also not allowing the head to fall out to the side. That's often something that people will do. They'll kind of lean their head over to the side, and that throws the whole thing off. So you're just trying to line everything up the whole way. If you want to load these up, you have a couple of options. First, and this will be indicated in the program, it's just this contralateral loading. So we just have the weight in the hand of the back leg, and then from the front we'll show a bilateral loading where you just have the arms working to rotate towards the front leg, just like we would in a backward lunge or a walking lunge, any other type of lunge variation.